Let's learn about tally chart and T-chart. Graphs are a way to organize data. A tally graph uses tallies to record data. Let's do a tally graph on favorite drinks. 15 customers liked soda. 11 customers liked lemonade. 19 customers liked juice. 17 customers liked tea. What is the favorite drink of the customers? Most of the customers liked juice. How many more liked juice than soda? 19 liked juice. 15 liked soda. The difference is 4. 4 more customers liked juice than soda. How many more liked tea than lemonade? 17 liked tea. 11 liked lemonade. The difference is 6. 6 more customers liked tea than lemonade. T-charts can also be used to show data. Let's do a T-chart of students' favorite ice cream. 4 students like vanilla. 6 students like chocolate. 3 students like strawberry. What is the favorite ice cream flavor of the students? Most of the students like chocolate. How many more like chocolate than strawberry? 6 students like chocolate. 3 students like strawberry. The difference is 3. What is the least favorite ice cream? Only 3 students like strawberry. Graphs are a way to organize data. Picture, bar, tally, and T-chart. Any can be used to organize and sort.
For more educational resources, visit the Green Chalkboard store on TPT. You can also visit my blog, firstteaserheroes.blog, and follow me on Pinterest at the Green Chalkboard 1. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.